Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy, and I know it's been a while. Go to my Instagram, look at my past few posts, and you'll understand why. Anyway, today we are here to talk about mystery boxes from Facebook. In the past, I have purchased about 3 mystery boxes. I've purchased 3, not about. I've purchased 3 mystery boxes. And the first one I bought, it was, I believe, last year during the holidays. I bought a $200 box. This is a gal that is in a Facebook group that I'm in. She sells makeup online. Now, it is very, I would say, controversial for some people to buy makeup not from Sephora or Ulta. When you're buying online from somebody that's not a store, you kind of don't know what you're gonna get until you get it, unless you really know that person. So it's a gamble. So fair warning, not condoning any Facebook makeup buying, but I have been doing it in the past and I've gotten lucky. I haven't gotten any fakes or any bad things like that. So fingers crossed, knock on wood, that doesn't happen to me. The last box that I did buy from a gal, her name is Janis, and she really, I mean, I don't know how she does it. She's like magic or something, because she puts together the most amazing boxes and I just don't know how. You're gonna hear lots of noises in the background. There's really nothing I can do about it. My dogs, my boyfriend, and my niece are also playing Snake IO out there. Yeah. So anyway, the $200 mystery box that I bought last year, I will go ahead and put a picture up right now. So that box was really amazing. Everything in it was authentic. Well over $200. I think I priced it at like $460 something. But yeah, amazing value. Everything was great quality. So recently I started getting into makeup again. It's been a long, hard year for everybody, but I did notice that she was selling some mystery boxes. I've kind of been getting back into makeup, trying to anyway, and I was like, let's do this. Let's buy some mystery boxes. I saw a video not too long ago from Laura Lee. She did like a Poshmark box or something like that. She always does stuff like that. So I thought it would be a cool video to show you guys what I got from my Facebook mystery boxes. So I've recently purchased 2 $100 boxes. So what you do is they put up a post, they tell you there's like mystery boxes up for grabs, and whoever comments first on there kind of gets them. So I was able to, in a couple rounds that she did, I was able to grab each $100 box. So we will look at the first box right now. So I was really happy with this first box. It's definitely well over $100 value. I will go ahead and put up the retail price. If I don't know it off the top of my head right now, I will put up the retail value of everything on the screen and then let you know what the retail value is at the end of everything. So with this box, and then what happens is you claim the box. When it's ready, she lets you know what the shipping is. So you pay $100 for the box, and then you pay whatever shipping is. So just dependent upon where you are is how much you'll pay. I think I only paid $8 for shipping. Okay, so now I unwrapped everything in this first one. The second one I haven't unwrapped everything so that I could show you guys how she packs it, but it's really good. I've never gotten a broken thing from her before. Okay, so this first item is the Huda Beauty Ultra Fine Pearls Dewy Shimmer Lightweight Highlighter Palette. So this one is the deeper shades. That is what it looks like. And it's pretty. I mean, this is authentic, clearly. The box is good. good quality box. You can tell that this is brand new. So yay for that. I think this is like $29. Next was the Zendo Natasha Denona palette. Like, I was really, really surprised about this one. I bought this palette from Sephora like a few weeks before I got this. So I was like, oh, so maybe I'll do a giveaway for the other one. But this is the palette that I got. I compared it to the one that I bought from Sephora. It's exactly the same. Ta-da! But yeah, the colors in this palette are amazing. I mean, look at that. Look at that. This is $65 retail. The next items that I got were also from Huda Beauty. I got the toffee brown palette in here. You can tell it's authentic. The packaging is normal. It's the same plastic Huda Beauty packaging, and this is what the palette looks like. I mean, look at that, guys. How pretty. I can't wait to use that. This is also $29. Then I got the liquid lipstick set, 4 of them. They're like the mini liquid lipsticks, and they're brown colors, the brown collection. And they're authentic. There's 4 of them. They're brand new. I opened up one of these earlier just to look at it, and yeah, here they are. So pretty. I can't wait to use these. I saw Tati use them in a video the other day, and I believe one of those brown palettes too, and she really liked them, so I'm excited. I believe this was also $29. So we're already well over $100 right here with all of these things together. The 65 and then the like 29 times 3. Last but not least, I got the Pink Religion palette by Jeffree Star. This one I do not have. I did not have this palette, so I was pretty shocked to see it in this box because this one's $52. I know for sure his palettes are 52 bucks. So really, really amazing deal. This is also an authentic Jeffree Star palette. Like, there's nothing on here that would say that it's a fake or anything like that. Very pretty little Bible looking palette. Ta-da. So yeah, brand spanking new. Everything that I opened, there's no swatches, nothing weird on it, so very cool. So, and then she also threw in a face mask. So retail value with all that together is on the screen underneath something. It's well over $100. I know that. Super, like 50 or 60. So yeah, and then it's like over 150 for sure. Very good deal. So that was my first box, and I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up. It was amazing. Super satisfied with it. My second box, same price for shipping, $100 box. So this one, I got a Huda Beauty lipstick in Buttercup. Also, this one, the packaging looks a little bit like, kind of like it's been sitting somewhere stored for a while. And that is one thing that she does state in her posts, is that some of the makeup has been stored, and so it might not be like perfect packaging. So everything that I've gotten though has been pretty decent. This one is just a little bit, I can't open it. This one looks just a little bit worn. This one, so pretty, this packaging. It's like that faded ombre matte look. So this one is a nude lipstick, so pretty. This will look so good. with a darker lip liner. Okay, so that was the lipstick, Sweet Nudes. I think her lipsticks were like $19 or $20. They might even be more than that. I will be putting the retail value on the screen. So the next item, I haven't opened, this one was not wrapped. It's a lipstick, doesn't need to be wrapped. Everything else in the box was wrapped, so that's why it's fine that it wasn't wrapped. So the next item is already starting off with a bang. I can already tell this is a Natasha Denona palette. So let's open it. It's wrapped really well in bubble wrap. So not only are they all wrapped in bubble wrap, but she also puts the air bubble thingies. She also puts these thingies in there too. So your makeup is gonna be safe. So awesome. This one is the Natasha Denona Glam palette. This box is perfect condition. Like, it is very brand spanking new. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, this is what it looks like. Ta-da. This is an authentic palette, you can tell. Next is, this one looks like, oh, this is a melt palette. So this, I actually don't have this palette, so yay. I have the stack of it, but I don't have the palette. So I love that I can add this one to my collection. So this is the Melt Cosmetics Blueprint palette. This is in perfect condition. Nothing bad about it. There's no crinkles, like no cuts in it or anything like that. I think I scratched it right now when I was opening it with my tweezers, but that was me. This is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty. I love Melt's packaging. That's what the palette looks like. It is so pretty. So there's that one. Oh God, I almost dropped it. Oh my God. Okay, that one I believe is worth $48. The Natasha Denona palette is $65. So already we are over $100. And we're not done. Next is a bottle of Blueberry Kush face oil from Truly. That's what it looks like to me. But this one is the CBD face oil, Blueberry Kush. I think this one's like $40 something too, I believe. So, bomb. Doesn't look used, nothing. This is brand new. And last but not least, in this one, I think this one's the Morphe palette. Oh yeah. So this one is the Morphe and Ashley Strong Affirmation palette, Affirmation Magic palette. She's got the palette, and then she has like a cake liner palette. This one is the eyeshadow palette. I saw this one on Ulta. This is so cute. Look how pretty that is. That one's bomb, and it's really cool that it opens like that. Okay, so I think that one's like, this one's like $20 something too. $28 or $30. Really great fall colors. Okay, so another banger of a box. I honestly don't know how she does it. It's magic, and I'm okay with that. I will continue to get mystery boxes from her and reveal them because people need to see this really cool makeup that I'm getting for cheap. So comment below, what do you think? Do you trust it? Do you not? I trust it. Everything that I've seen has been authentic, but fair warning, if you are going to buy makeup online, make sure that you trust the person that you're going to buy from. I bought makeup from her in the past. Everything was fine with what I had purchased before, so I feel really comfortable continuing to purchase things from her. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you sticking around and looking at all this makeup with me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah, anything else that you need to do on YouTube. Comment, let me know what you think. Is this for you? Is it not for you? What do you think about mystery boxes?